Oopsie, and then I click it. Okay, ready and go. Alexa, what did we get?
We got a Thready Box for teens.
Ooh, fun, from my girlfriend's quilt shop. Let's check it out. Hold on. So let's open up the box and see what's inside.
I'm excited to see what's inside the box.
Yeah, go ahead.
Now let's look.
So now you can see what it is already. Turn it around so they can see. There you go. So it looks like we're going to make, what does that look like to you?
Looks like a quilt.
Yeah, good job. It's a little mini quilt, a little wall hanging type of quilt, like on the wall at my craft room. All right, so what else is in here?
There is a color burst quilt. I think it's the directions.
That's what it's called. Directions, you're right. Very good. Color burst quilt. So that's what it's called. This is a project from my girlfriend's quilt shop for the Thready Box, and this is the teen box. So those of you that have been following along, I did the child box with my grandkids a couple weeks ago, and now we're going to work on the teen box. So what's in here?
And now the fabrics.
Oh my gosh, a lot of them. That's a ton of fabrics. Oh my gosh. Let's open this up and see them. Wow. Gosh, that's a ton of fabrics. A ton. So we have some swirly stripes and some red with dots and orange plaid and yellow with swirls and green with swirls and a mint teal with lattice on it, and blue with stars, and dark blue navy with white dots, and purple with dots. Oh my gosh, so many.
There's a lot. And dots.
Green and dot, or not green, sorry, gray and dots. And look at, that's really pretty. So this must be the backing because it's so big.
Oh yeah.
So this is gray with a little white floral on it. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, that's a ton of fabrics. What else is in here?
There's
What's that?
Little, I don't know, is this like a keychain?
It's a keychain. That'll look cute on your new purse.
It would.
Very
And
cute.
what else is in here?
What's that?
Oh, some little mini candy.
Starburst. So when I did the box with my grandkids, they were like, oh, they were so excited about the candy. No surprise there. There's one other little thing in there.
Let's see what that is.
Your nails look so pretty. They're all different colors. Fall colors.
Yes, it is a sticker, I think.
Of a backpack, is it? School is
cool.
Oh, it's a book.
Oh, it's
the book.
It's this way.
Very cute. Very fun. It's actually this way because the sewing machine.
There's a
sewing machine. School is cool. We'll show that up close. So lots of fun things in the Thready Box from my girlfriend's quilt shop. So we are going to do the rest of the video in photos as we work on the project. And we're going to read the directions and prep our fabrics and figure out exactly how it looks like. We're going to make pinwheel blocks and rail fence blocks, 9-patch block. Oh, that's this one.
Oh, yeah.
So this must be the rail fence block. So let me show you. So pinwheel block. This was the 9 square block, and I'm assuming this must be the rail fence block. So we're going to make lots of different blocks and then sew them together and have a mini quilt wall hanging. And there's directions for each of the blocks. And we can put the fabrics together in whatever way that we want. So we can make it like just like it is here, or we can make it a little bit different, whatever works. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're excited to try out our Thready Box for teens. We're both going to make one. So if you haven't considered purchasing the Thready Box, I'm going to give you a link here. If you click on this link above my finger, you will be able to go to our affiliate link with our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and then just type in Thready Box, Thready, Thready Box, and you can choose either the child version or the kids version or the teen version or both, and have fun teaching your kids some life skills and making projects and feeling proud of yourself for making things. It's always fun to have a craft day, right?
Yep, always with my aunt.
Yeah. I love you, honey.
I love you too.
All right, guys, we're going to have some fun. Alexa, what do we do in the directions?
Welcome. You get to be a creator and designer of your very own colorverse quilt top. In your Thready Box, there are 10 different fat quarters of colorful fabrics and 1 1/4 yard backing. You will learn how to make 3 different quilt blocks. Each block has some fun techniques. You will be making 3 blocks of each pattern for a total of 9 blocks.
All right, Alexa, what are we doing next?
Okay, now that we got our 3 little strips together, they're 18 by 22.
2.5 by 22.
2.5 by
That's
22.
okay. Yep.
We are going to put the right sides together,
Yep.
and the wrong sides will be showing.
And what will we do with those wrong sides?
We will put them on underneath the right side. Wait.
We're going to put them right sides together, and then we're
Right
going to
sides together.
sew them with what kind of seam allowance? Do you remember?
We're going to sew it with the 1/4 inch sides.
1/4 inch seam allowance.
Seam allowance.
Yep. And this is our first time doing a sewing project, so I'm pretty excited. Are you excited?
Yes,
Are
I'm
you-
excited to see what it will turn out to be.
Yeah. Are you nervous at all?
Nope.
Oh,
I
good.
think it will be a fun experience.
Good job. Alexa, what did you do?
I sewed this right on the blue line. Expert sewing.
It was expert sewing for sure. Let me zoom in on the blue line and look at that. She literally sewed right on that line. So impressive. Expert sewer right there. Hey Alexa, what are you doing now?
I'm quilting now.
You're quilting what you just sewed together?
Yep.
Wow, which quilting design did you choose?
I chose this really cool autumn design.
Yeah, Autumn 1 by Kimberbell. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it.
And on the top.
And on the top. Yeah, it's beautiful. Good job. Alexa, is it perfect?
No, but my auntie Cristin always says, my quilt, my way.
You got it. We're enjoying the journey, right?
Yes, we are.
And having fun and learning new things.
Always.
And it's beautiful. Great job. I love it. Alexa, we just finished our rail fence block. What should we do now?
we should do our 9-patch block now.
All right, and what are the fabrics you chose?
I chose this red swirly thingy and then this green swirly. Oh, this one's lines actually.
They're like swirly lines
Swirly
though.
lines and then, I don't know, green swirlies.
All right, so we'll get started on those next.
Auntie, I finished my 9-patch blocks and now I'm gonna start on my pinwheel blocks.
Great job, Alexa. They look awesome. All right, how do you feel about the pinwheel blocks? Are you scared?
No, I think once we figure it out, it will be easy.
Good job. Good attitude. I like that. Alexa, you made a perfect pinwheel. How did you do that?
I just followed the diagram like on the directions.
Ah, the directions from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, our sponsor for these Thready boxes. Look at that perfect pinwheel. Now we just got to sew it all together. Good job, Alexa.
Thanks. Today we worked on the backing and the stitch in the ditch and the binding, and the quilt is finally finished.
It's done. How many play days did we use to finish it all?
I think it was like 4 or 3,
Yeah.
maybe more.
3.5, I think, is what I'm thinking. Look at how pretty your quilt is. You did such a great job. Do you love it?
Yes, I do.
Of course you do. Why wouldn't you? That is so pretty, Alexa. You did so good picking out all the fabrics and the pattern and sticking with it. I know some parts were hard. What was your hardest part?
The pinwheel one.
The pinwheels are hard to get those centers all together, but you did really good. Really, really good. Show me the back.
Here is the back.
And what did we do to the back?
We did the backing and sewed the squares all together.
Do you remember what that was called when we added the backing? The stitch in the...
Stitch in the ditch.
Good job. Very good. You did amazing. I'm really proud of you. Yay, it's done. Let's go make cookies.
Now let's go and do another project.
Oh no. She's hooked.